surely holiday season, and me and Cheryl thought, why don't we come in for a dinner? It's been a while actually since we've come in for a dinner. More than 18 months, right, Cheryl? That since we've actually had dinner somewhere outside.
Absolutely, Vinny. And given that the economy is reopening slowly, we're seeing most part of the country also reopening. We've seen people go for revenge traveling, they're revenge shopping. But you know something, the people are also doing revenge eating and revenge drinking.
I am surely binge eating as well, Cheryl, and revenge eating as well.
Definitely. But to understand more about the trend and how it's going out for the hospitality sector, we've actually been joined by Mr. Anjan Chatterjee on a meal from Specialty Restaurant. Good evening.
Good evening, sir, and it's a pleasure actually having you on the show as well, right, Cheryl?
Absolutely. But like Mr. Anjan, Mr. Chatterjee, like I mentioned about people going ahead with the revenge eating, because you wouldn't know, everything is so unpredictable. So everybody is out there eating. How are the demand trends looking for you?
See, I'll just take you through the whole pandemic, pre-pandemic, and now that we are hanging around with the Omicron thing, which is a part of this coming in. We don't know what's going to come up, how things are going to be shaping up. But then when the first pandemic hit us, and the first phase of the pandemic, we were, frankly speaking, not prepared. None of us was prepared. I'm sure none of us.
No one expected it, I think.
Yeah, that's right. So all the businesses were hurt, but the hospitality was the first one. Hotel, hospitality, the whole of travel business, because it's a question of a fear of death. So you are actually fighting something. Even if you sell gold, anything else would not work.
Right.
So, I mean, we were caught unaware. We are a fine dining chain, mainland China, O Calcutta, Sigri, Hopipola, Episode, to everything that we do, including that of a retail chain that we have, Sweet Bengal. We actually are not necessarily accepting the retail part. We are more of fine casual, a combination of the two. So we were not very strong on deliveries. So pandemic has taught us a lot. We just went back to the drawing board. We didn't know what's going on. So we understood the only way to survive, because historically we've seen that we're not delivery oriented.
Right.
We were doing deliveries as a part of the whole package. So we had to turn around and become a delivery company.
I think that was a main part, actually, a
That's
changing
right.
point for you as well, right? To focus on
Actually,
delivery.
to go to the drawing board and understand,
Adapt to it,
and
yeah,
adapt
that's
to the
right,
new.
that's right. Again, I'm saying I thank God that we are a debt-free company.
Absolutely.
We had enough, treasury to manage this crisis, because initially it was 12% of the total sales of ours, which is delivery. Over a period of time, it became 40%.
Wow. Okay.
Because, as you said, that people will not change their habits of eating out or getting food, cooking, variety, spice of life. So that we had understood, and by then we had envelopes, one layer, then secondly we had another bag where we put the temperatures of the people who were coming in and handling the food, and then put 2 more layers of, packaging, so that and then ensured that people are handing it over to the operators, and came in with an idea that we'll get our own fleet. We understood that, boss, this is going to be a bad one, and it continued. Then even the sales fell down. The delivery sales fell down because there was panic. There was
People were
death.
worried,
In the first one, there were not so many
I think
deaths.
there were more deaths in the second one, more. That is when we oxygen, the
shortage.
hospital beds.
So this is, I'm again saying that this is out of syllabus. You don't know what's happening. Your people are affected, and then you have some family member or the other who's affected. You try to manage everything together. But then we said, fine, we will survive. We decided we will survive. So I decided, and internally I told them that survive, revive and thrive. Guys, if you survive, then you will revive. Your second phase is revive. So fortunately things settled down.
So just talking, about obviously how we spoke about things moving on, and now, what is the situation now? Now we have a new variant, I think, coming in. So how do you see the trends as of now? What is the situation? Are consumers actually coming out? Is there some sort of fear that you're seeing? What is it that you're seeing now in customers?
See, As of now, it's not so bad. As we speak about this, Delhi government has,
Right.
banned Christmas and New Year celebrations, which is not a good sign for sure, because they're taking anticipatory action. What we see in London City, the cases going up. But the best part about this variant, I really don't know too much, I'm not a doctor, that people are getting affected, but the number of, it's not so lethal.
Yeah.
Number of people who are getting hospitalized in London, I can say Chaurangi is running in London,
Right,
the new
absolutely.
restaurant. So I just came back. So things are becoming a little more, it's a extremely, they say that it goes through the airways, it spreads faster, but it's not so bad. So people are waiting and watching, but some of the things, of course, we have to go back to the, doing things. All of us need to be, of course, we have, in the metros, as you know, we've been wearing masks, we've been
Absolutely.
following
Yeah,
all
yeah,
kinds
yeah.
of protocol. But as you say that, let's talk about the period of revival.
Yeah.
तो अब ये Omicron कब आएगा नहीं देख झेल लेंगे अभी तो सीख गए हमने. So let's talk about the revival. Please have a bite.
Absolutely, sir.
So based on what we have decided earlier on, obviously things became better. But I must tell you one thing, that I told everybody that the learnings that you have taken from this pandemic in terms of cost saving, working with minimum people, optimizing your resources, sweating your assets, we should not go back to the, what happens is that every company has, when they run with a large company, you have flab. You have a lot of fat which keeps on coming in, and you tend to ignore. Of course, we used to be looking at the line items. We shut down a few restaurants which are not profitable on the
Right.
borderline. We had to.
Yes.
So this would be like, we will do it today, tomorrow, emotions come in. But we were very rational, ruthless, continue to ensure that we keep our people intact. Of course, some people could not come because lots of people were safe in the villages, they did not come.
Right.
So automatically number of people went down. Besides this, there were a lot of things which, you tend to go back to the normal, okay, I mean, crisis teaches you the best, and you are the best when there's crisis.
When there's crisis, right.
But this whole scenario, I did not want this to go back. So I continue to be on top of that. But good part was that from the time it started, by the day, by the hour, like you use revenge eating, as if there's no tomorrow.
Yes.
People were queuing in. Then we had Durga Puja. Those months were fantastic. Even as we are talking about December, it started with a big bang.
Right.
Okay.
After the Omicron thing has come in, slow, it's not so bad as yet.
Yeah.
So bad is
But if the Delhi government does that, maybe Maharashtra will do it tomorrow, then the Bengal will
Other
do it.
governments, yeah.
Yeah, because they're taking anticipatory bail.
Yeah.
There are political reasons why they have to do, because tomorrow they'll be blamed.
Yeah.
So, and also for safety, I'm sure of that. But I think a little overreaction can actually kill the game.
True,
Lockdown
that's
is
true.
not the solution.
And I think that unorganized
Sorry to
sector.
interrupt.
is-
I think that you are watching weight.
No, I did. we both are actually. Yeah, we will surely enjoy the meal. But as I'm taking this bite, there is that factor that does play is from organized to unorganized sector, and that will again come in. Even if there's slight bit of fear, I think people start preferring the brands they know, preferring something So doesn't that actually give you more of a push this time also, this holiday season in some way or the other? And how are you actually preparing with your deliveries, which you already know that you could see more coming in also as
Oh,
well?
we know what to do now on delivery. We have absolutely, we know that. We have great relationship with our aggregators. We know how many people do we need, how to optimize our own fleet. We've already put in some people, as we are talking, which are internal delivery. Then we are using VFast.
Okay.
Okay.
We are using the Swiggy Genie or something.
Yeah,
Genie.
Swiggy Genie, yeah.
So we have a gamut of options today, and we know that as long as we are following the international protocol, we are, and then the taste is anyway with us.
Yeah.
The food has been there for historical. People
Yeah,
get a
absolutely, that's
kind of
true.
a, yeah, that's right. So I think there should not be too much of a problem on delivery, but I also say and request that you know, in of course in London it grew like nobody's business. And anything which happens in the Western world, if you see the historicals, it has to come here because Omicron has entered thanks to people coming up and down in spite of all the controls you have. So that's one thing, but I mean, see, not being a doctor, I can only say this to you that it should not spread, but I think Indians are more resilient. We are used to eating anything and everything. And you know, so I think that the overall system, Indian system, plus we have a vitamin D reserve which is more than this is my assumption.
Surely we are eating super yummy healthy food right now that I can see like you were mentioning, sir. But you know, how does that cater? You know, people are focusing now on the keto diet and more on non-fried, ye nahi, wo nahi. You know, there are a lot of other things happening. So, usme how do you actually manage to keep up in across restaurants? Abhi to, you know, people even say mithai kam khani chahiye, sugar nahi. So, what do you do?
See, we believe in, as it is the Chinese or the Calcutta, you know, particularly Chinese, I'll tell you how they're influenced. I think they were Chinese once upon a time, the Bengalis. So, so here, steam, bake and grill is our philosophy. Chinese has lots of steam, like what you are having
Yes,
here,
yes, exactly.
steamed vegetables. Not even a drop of oil, it's just wok tossed. And all the crunchy vegetables like the snow peas, the bok choy, and then what you're having in the, you know, the fresh garlic or any kind of a lettuce that you have, the broccoli, everything is fresh. So what you're doing is that you're taking a meal which is fully steamed. There's no oil, and then you're getting the best of the vegetables. Unlike, no offense meant again to Indian food, which is deep fried, and we do a lot of, you know, frying on that. So by the time wo sabzi ke gud chale jate, you know. So I think that steam, bake and grill is what our principle is. All our chefs follow that. So everything put together, like even if it's a sugar laden thing, you can't always do anything with an ice cream, but this is honey.
Right.
Great.
So we try and use honey as much as possible, including that of our mocktails. We use honey.
Amazing.
Wow.
We don't use a single drop of sugar solution because it's the same thing. Like, you know, a lot of people have it chai,
Exactly,
you know, I
exactly.
mean coffee and tea. People have moved to honey, so it's organic, it's comparative. So wherever possible, we try and get into this principle and try. But then, you know, there are people who like the crackling spinach, they like the corn chili pepper, the age-old famous things, and they understand that. But then, as you're talking about the millennials, zillennials, they are looking at, you know, options. The sushi is steam,
It's amazing.
dips in the steam, and they are the ones which are in vogue with, you know, your generation. so I think that I mean we've been very conscious about it.
Being, like you said, that it's in vogue in our generation, but I must make a confession, this is like the healthiest and I'm feeling so healthy, even eating this food is amazing.
Thank you.
It tastes so good.
Absolutely.
You can't make out, there's not even a single drop of oil in it.
I think, yeah, I think normally I would be the fussy one also, like, arey, you know, healthy though is something I run away from. I think both of us run away from it. We are like more on the unhealthy vada pav खाते हुए
Yes,
Bombay के
exactly.
लोग.
Yes.
अब हम देखते हैं अगर ये प्रोडक्ट्स जो है what we are using, हम जो यूज़ करते हैं वो है प्रीमियम प्रोडक्ट्स. हमारी मार्केट जो है इंडियन मार्केट वो काफ़ी प्राइस सेंसिटिव भी होती है. कंज्यूमर्स काफ़ी प्राइस सेंसिटिव है. थोड़ा भी प्राइस इंक्रीज हुआ तो यू नो वो डर जाते हैं लाइक अरे यार मैं कुछ और खा लूँगा टाइप सिचुएशन. तो अभी तो इन्फ्लेशन बढ़ रहा है तो हाउ आर यू मैनेजिंग? आप कैसे मैनेज कर रहे हो इन्फ्लेशन को, प्राइसिंग को? एंड टाइम भी ऐसा है कि हॉलीडे सीजन है तो कस्टमर के लिए टू कीप कस्टमर्स यू कैन नॉट टेक अ स्टीप प्राइस हाइक एज वेल. तो हाउ आप कैसे मैनेज कर रहे हो?
देखिए, दो चीज़ें होंगी किसी भी बिजनेस में. मैं बड़े बड़े लोग इसको देख रहे होंगे तो मैं क्या सिखाऊं. एक होता है कि आप कस्टमर को पास ऑन करें हर कॉस्ट. एक होता है आपके पार्ले जी के बारे में आप जानते हैं, 1 रुपया तो 1 रुपया, 5 रुपया तो 5 रुपया. तो वो उन्होंने कैसे किया? बिकॉज एक ग्रैन्युलर कॉस्ट उनका है. हम क्या करते हैं, कभी भी अगर प्राइस बढ़ता है तो हम और टाइट हो जाते हैं कॉस्ट में विदाउट कॉम्प्रोमाइजिंग ऑन क्वालिटी. स्पेशलिटी रेस्टोरेंट आज तक यही प्रॉमिस करके बड़ा हुआ है कि 5 स्टार फूड एंड सर्विस 5 स्टार विदाउट द 5 स्टार टैग. अब ये खाना अगर आप कहीं और किसी 5 स्टार, इसलिए 5 स्टार डाइनिंग इज गोइंग आउट ऑफ फैशन. You can't end up charging for a chicken tikka 2,000 rupees. Come on, I mean, you should have a heart to do that. 2000 रुपए का चिकन टिक्का बेचती है जो आज 450 मैक्सिमम 500 में मिलता है. So if you see, even kids like you are not going into the 5-star as often as you would go earlier. It's not for only economic reasons. So लोग जानते हैं कि भाई यहाँ जाएंगे, everybody wants value for money because your value systems teach you that unless otherwise you are that 1.2% which is price insensitive, which we are not catering to. People know that they'll get a great, humble, safe meal and quality meal at a price. So hence we've sustained for 27 long years. Not many Indian-based touchwood restaurants have been, of course, the McDonald's of the world and the Pizza Huts of the world. जब हमने शुरू किया था, they're not even coming to India. Talking about 93, 94.
Right.
So, of course, they are formidable brands, that apart. But then Indian-grown brand, home-grown, living for 27 years, touch wood, अभी तक नहीं हुआ है और हम इसको और भी strengthen कर रहे हैं जो गलतियाँ की.
आत्मनिर्भर is here with
Yeah,
us,
yeah.
right? आत्मनिर्भर वो तो
पर आपने ये
बराबर
भी
है.
कहा था कि आपने जो अडेप्ट किया था ड्यूरिंग कोविड टाइम्स, आपने डिलीवरी के आपके जो सेल्स का जो कंट्रीब्यूशन था डिलीवरी से वो बहुत बढ़ चुका था. फ्रॉम 12% यू मेंशन दैट 40% हो चुका है. क्या यही सस्टेनेबल है? डू यू एक्सपेक्ट टू इंक्रीज दैट पोर्शन ऑफ डिलीवरी? And also, is the demand still there for delivery as well? Because you know, people still are sitting at home, they don't want to step out. So are they ordering more still? Are you seeing that proportion being justified?
जब डिलीवरी, जब डाइनिंग खुला, हमें लगा ये झट से ड्रॉप करेगा.
हाँ.
You are both sitting here. You tell me how many times you get food from यहाँ से ये मंगाया, वहाँ से ये मंगाया, वहाँ से ये.
Guilty.
You have to
Every
plan.
single day.
It's not the compulsive reason
Yeah.
that you can't go out. You can, but
You can, but
आप
might
मैच
as well.
देख रही हैं, फॉर्मूला 1 देख रहे हैं, बैठे हैं, सब चिल कर रहे हैं, चले
Lazy
मंगवा
भी
लो.
हो गए
Yeah.
थोड़े.
हाँ,
COVID
थोड़े
time पे
lazy हो गए.
पजामा पहन
Right.
के खाना है.
You are, yeah, there you go.
Exactly, that's what it is.
Which has been the trend abroad. Deliveries are many big things there. So
Yes.
it took time. हो सकता है, you know, out of evil cometh good. Out of this pandemic, people have learned, and this habit is not going to go out.
Right.
It's going to be better and better, especially with the youngsters. People just, I mean, suddenly I see 5 boxes entering my house. खाना हुआ रखा हुआ, ये कहाँ से आया? And Amazon. Sorry, I'm not advertising for them. I mean,
Yeah,
there's a lot of pinching in our pockets. But ये जो नया ट्रेंड आया है, ये because retail shopping भी नहीं कर रहे हैं लोग, तो घर पे ही खा लो यार.
Yes.
Food cannot be virtualized. You can't make food virtual. You have to have a moment of truth. You have to eat it, right? You can't eat a screen.
Right.
Out of the screen you can see it, you can't, fortunately so. So, but ये खाने का जो trend हुआ है, plus aggregators have come, Zomato, Swiggy, they are formidable people, they are strengthening their, you know, work. And also, ये logistics का जो business है, आहिस्ता आहिस्ता, जैसे मैंने VFast कहा, ये दूसरा वाला Swiggy Genie का, और many more are coming up. That is becoming easy for 20 मिनट में आपके पास कुछ आ जाता है.
Exactly.
वो तो अभी ट्रेंड है ना 20
हाँ.
मिनट 15 मिनट 10
Yes,
मिनट.
Yeah,
yes,
that's
that
right,
quick,
that's right, हाँ.
the quick one.
That delivery is a competition कर रहे हैं
Yes,
लोग, जो
right.
Domino's ने एक ज़माने
तो
में
आप
शुरू
भी
किया.
वहाँ पे एंटर करने वाले हो स्पेशल डिलीवरी फ्रॉम स्पेशलिटी रेस्टोरेंट्स
No, हमारे पास एक्सप्रेस डिलीवरी हो चुकी है.
व्हाट इज
Yeah.
योर टाइमिंग? आपका टाइमिंग क्या है?
हमारा
What is
देखिए
it?
एक, क्योंकि इलेबोरेट मील अगर हो
Yeah.
तो 20-25, see there's something called KPT which is kitchen preparation time.
Time.
आप उसको जितना कंप्रेस करेंगी, आपका खाना जल्दी उस एग्रीगेटर के जो रिप्रेजेंटेटिव उनको दिया जाएगा, वो उतनी जल्दी पहुंचेगा. तो KPT पे हम काम कर रहे हैं, किस तरह से उसको कंप्रेस करें, और which used to be 42 minutes, it's already come to 32 minutes.
But this is without compromising
on
on
the
the
quality
quality.
of the
Not
food.
at
think
all.
We can see that.
yeah.
Not at
I
all.
think
There
the
is no
quality of the
question.
food is
Absolutely.
there.
You have to
It's
plan better.
commendable
Proper
कि, you know,
planning.
आप 30 मिनट्स में भी अमेजिंग एशियन फूड या और कोई खाना पहुंचा तो
आपको सिर्फ प्लानिंग करनी पड़ती है और कुछ नहीं है. अच्छी प्लानिंग करेंगे आप, स्ट्रेंथन. अभी तो पता चल गया हमारा डिमांड, जैसे आप किसी भी चीज वीकेंड पे डिमांड फोरकास्टिंग होती है, हमको मालूम है क्या चाहिए नहीं चाहिए. सो द बैलेंस ऑफ डिमांड फोरकास्टिंग विद द काइंड ऑफ ऑप्शंस दैट यू हैव, और किसी भी मेन्यू में आप देखेंगी 20-80 मेन्यू में सिर्फ 20% ही चलता है, घूम फिर के आप देखें. तो ये जो
Right.
लंबा हमने किया वो उसको हमने टाइटन किया, शॉर्टर मेन्यूज किए. कुछ इंटरनेशनली भी देखा हमने कि वो जो 4 पेज का मेन्यू है, बनाने की जरूरत ही नहीं. कोई मेन्यू को हमने री इंजीनियर किया कि भाई
Yes.
इतना क्यों देते हो आप,
Right.
फिर आपका इन्वेंट्री वेस्ट होता है तो कॉस्ट पे प्रेशर पड़ता है, तो कॉस्ट को जितना आप दबाएंगे और पास ऑन नहीं करेंगे आप वैल्यू और कॉस्ट ही आपको वैल्यू देता है, तो आप लोड नहीं करते कस्टमर पे। तो आई थिंक वी बीन एबल टू बैलेंस दैट ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम।
और सर एक्चुअली टॉकिंग अबाउट मेन्यू, इट्स हॉलिडे सीजन,
Yeah.
कुछ एक्साइटिंग इन द मेन्यू, आर वी, what can we expect exciting coming in on your menus on specialty restaurants card, menu card
जी
especially?
देखिए, एशियन में तो मैंने आपको बताया डक, टर्की, देयर गोइंग टू बी क्रैब्स इन द सेंस सॉफ्ट शेल क्रैब्स एक्सेट्रा। अब मैं नॉन वेजिटेरियन बोल रहा हूँ, आप कितने लोग वेजिटेरियन है वो कहेंगे क्या नॉन वेज
उनके
रेस्टोरेंट
लिए
ऐसा
भी
नहीं,
ऑप्शन दे दो।
नहीं बट क्या है, एडमा में के साथ ट्रफल कॉम्बिनेशन के साथ काफ़ी कॉम्बिनेशन ये मेरे
Right.
बेटे ने किया है अमित ने, तो और काफ़ी डिमसम बड़े हैं, सुशी जो लिमिटेड होती थी उसको बढ़ाया गया है, एंड वी आर गोइंग टू बी डूइंग, इवन नाउ वी आर इन द प्रोसेस बिकॉज 24th इज अ टाइम, कल परसों में और भी होगा, शेफ राम यहाँ बैठे हैं, वो इसको स्ट्रेंथन करेंगे। सो और जैसे वो कैलकाटा में आपको एग्जांपल दूं कि चौरंगी इज द न्यू वर्जन ऑफ वो
one,
कैलकाटा, तो चौरंगी की कई चीज़ें हैं लाइक आमदा टिक्का, वहाँ है एक 5 फोरन लैम्ब चॉप, काफ़ी चीज़ें हैं, और हमने एक एक ऑपोजिन बनाया है जो बैगन है, जो बैगन ज़्यादा चलता नहीं है,
Yes.
बैगन का भरता ऐसे बोलते हैं, लेकिन उस बैगन को अगर आप खाएंगे इट इज डिसरप्टिवली गुड विद आम का शुद्धि। सो लॉट ऑफ दोज, फिर हमने एक लोटस स्टेम एंड स्वीट पोटैटो का चाट बनाया वहाँ पे, विच इज़ वेरी इनोवेटिव, विच इज़ वेरी डिफरेंट। सो ये
हेल्दी फॉर्म ऑफ चाट हो रहा है।
that's right.
Yeah. That's
चाट
amazing.
सी आपको वही एंगल देना पड़ेगा लोगों को, वही चीज़ खाएंगे वो।
Yeah.
चाट में दही है, योगर्ट है, चटनी है, व्हाई डू वांट टू गिव सो मच ऑफ पोटैटो, यू गिव
Yeah.
स्वीट पोटैटो।
Yes,
Nice.
that's more healthier. Absolutely.
तो
That's
हेल्थी चल रहा है, बीटरूट चॉप चल रहा है वहाँ पे जोर से,
what- Right.
इट्स अ सुपर फूड।
But let me talk about your expansion plans. We've touched upon Chaurangi in London, but globally you have presence globally as well as in India. No doubt, during COVID time did put pressure on you and your company. But going ahead, what are your expansion plans?
सारे एक्सपेंशन प्लान्स बढ़िया से चल रहे थे, 4 और
right,
रेस्टोरेंट,
right.
सारा प्लान था पेपर में, ड्राइंग बोर्ड पे रखा हुआ था। अब ये नया अवतार आ गया, ये नया अवतार जो आया है और आ रहा है, इसके चक्कर में बोर्ड बोल रहा है भैया तो थोड़ा रुक जाओ।
Right.
इफ यू डोंट गेट द विजन, आपको सामने अंधेरा दिखाई दे रहा है तो आप गाड़ी नहीं चला सकते, आपको ब्रेक मारनी पड़ेगी गाड़ी में, हेडलाइट्स भी हैं, सब कुछ है हमारे पास, थोड़ा स्लो डाउन कर रहे हैं, बट
Yes.
प्लानिंग पूरी है, लोकेशन दिए हुए हैं, हमने रियल एस्टेट के ओनर्स को कहा है कि भाई थोड़ा रुक जाओ, अभी हमको पता चले तो हम फिट आउट को एक्सटेंड कर दो, सब कोऑपरेट कर रहे हैं। देखिए जब मुश्किल होती है तो मैंने ये देखा है कि सब कोऑपरेट करते हैं,
Right.
सबको मालूम है
Absolutely.
ये सिर्फ मेरी प्रॉब्लम या हमारी नहीं है,
हमारी,
सबकी
सबकी
problem
प्रॉब्लम है, ये बात
है।
अच्छी
ये जो
है।
एक
Right.
शेयर किया है लोगों ने, ये मतलब बहुत अच्छा
और
सीखने
एक-
को मिला।
और हाँ, जैसे आपने बोला सीखने को मिला है, सो यू लर्न अ लेसन फ्रॉम द प्रीवियस वेव्स एज वेल एज व्हाट कोविड हैज बॉट फॉर अस. So we could also say that it's just a slowdown in your expansion plan, but not a full stop,
Stop.
not,
No.
not a breakdown. That's what it's. That's how we've all learned and adapted, and that's how Specialty Restaurant has adapted to this.
मेरा
crisis.
भारत महान बहुत ही,
Amazing.
you know,
yes.
it's like a,
Yes.
I always call it's like a bottomless pit.
Absolutely.
India is all about going down and mid and everything. So there are options that you have, and you should not be irrational in your expansion, but you have to balance the act. Wherever we were not there for one reason or the other, मान लीजिए जहाँ पे हमने रेस्टोरेंट हमको कंपल्सिव रीजन के लिए बंद करना पड़ा, रियल एस्टेट वाले ने माना नहीं, वहाँ पे हम क्लाउड कर रहे हैं, ब्रांड का डिमांड नहीं गया ना।
Yes.
जैसे मैं
right.
आपको बेंगलोर में कोरोमंगला या फिर आपके वहाँ पे जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिटी है या फिर सरजापुर है, ये 3 जगह पे हम लोग प्रेजेंट नहीं थे, तो हम लोग क्लाउड किचन कर रहे हैं। क्लाउड किचन में आपके कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर कम होता है, ऑप्टिमाइज कर सकते हैं। अभी ये बड़ा शॉक और बड़ा ही मतलब सब बोल रहे क्लाउड, डार्क, घोस्ट, भाई घोस्ट हो कि क्लाउड हो कि कुछ भी हो, आपको ब्रांड चाहिए ना। एज ए कस्टमर यू नीड टू गेट ब्रांड। आप किसको मंगाएंगी? आपको वो आप भूत थोड़ी मंगाएंगी, अंधे से थोड़ी मंगाएंगी. So
Right.
so you need to have a brand. Fortunately, again I say that all we have is the brand and people. So उसमें हमको थोड़ा सा leverage मिलता है. हम we will be able to, and we have seen that. So clouds,
Yes.
हम expansion एकदम नहीं रोक रहे हैं क्योंकि cloud और delivery चलेगा तो कुछ नहीं, तो delivery तो government allow कर रही है. So
Yes,
over a period of
yes,
time.
that's-
So
that's-
penetration हमारा चल रहा है and वो रहेगा, but brick and mortar को थोड़ा सा slow down किया.
Slow down.
So obviously on that note, on expecting specialty restaurants,
Yes.
waiting more of the restaurants and bigger bites coming in from specialty restaurants, we are going to be enjoying our food and meal with Anjan Chatterjee. But that's all that you all are getting from the interview. Stay tuned in, have your yummy dinner. We are having, order in if you all are not out. And thank you so much, Mr. Chatterjee,
Thank
for
you.
joining
Pleasure
us
is
so
all
much.
mine.
pleasure.
Pleasure is all
It's a
mine.
pleasure
Thank you.
having you this holiday season, and it's great to be here as well.
And having this meal, I'm waiting to dive into dessert. But you all, stay safe, stay at home, and enjoy your holiday season.
Merry Christmas and
And
Happy
Happy
New Year.
New Year as
Happy
well.
holidays as well.
Yes.
Enjoy your holidays.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Pleasure.
much, sir.